At 18, I started an apprenticeship at Greenaway Scott, working as a receptionist. It was the best thing to ever happen to me. I left school after my GCSEs to support my mum, but I refused to let that hold me back. By 21, I worked my way up to practice manager, looking after the operational management of the group. But I wanted to keep learning. So I started a leadership and management apprenticeship to give me the skills to progress. The skills I learned set me up for success when the practice moved into remote working during the pandemic. Since then, I've completed a project management qualification and will be starting a level 5 management diploma later this year. I haven't taken a traditional educational path, but have been fortunate enough to be surrounded by a great support system. I'm going to continue learning. Knowledge is power. You can broaden your horizons and change your story. Whatever I can do to make myself better, I will do it.